In 2014, Apple started working on a project of a fully autonomous electric car to compete Tesla and Google Waymo. Also, the company wanted to expand Apple's reach in autonomous EV industry. Tesla, BMW, Nissan, and some other companies were leading the EV market. And to be the part of competition, Apple CEO Tim Cook started Apple Car project. During this journey, Apple board of directors always pressurized the leading team to show progress in the project. But in February 2024, according to a report, Apple canceled the car project and lost over $10 billion. Now the point is, why Apple still failed while it was expecting to release the car in 2026. Number 1. Technological complexity and limitations. Apple's initial goal was to make a car with level 5 self-driving capability, no steering wheel, no pedals, and voice control with Siri for navigation purposes rather than a touchscreen. But they soon realized that to achieve fully self-driving capabilities, it would take much more time than to be expected, and to use Siri to control the whole operating system, it was a big risk. This limitation and complexity was enough that set back Apple to make the car with level 2 self-driving capability, pedal, steering wheel, and use of a touchscreen for navigation purpose. These were still really great features, but besides that, the car lost its unique selling features. As we know that customers buy Apple products even if the prices are higher, because Apple provides unique features which sets its products effort and convince customers to pay even premium prices. Let's have a look at some of Apple products like Vision Pro and iPhone. Both of these products have their own unique selling features. Like for Vision Pro, it has a high resolution display, eye and hand tracking, and for iPhone, it has easy to use operating system and a multi-touch display. And same is the case with other Apple products. But in case of Apple Car, it had CarPlay, but it didn't matter the most because the same CarPlay delivers seamless Apple experience in a wide number of other vehicles, and this was a great challenge for Apple to stand out. Leadership issues. The project experienced multiple leadership changes and conflicts over car design and features. Disagreements between key figures like Steve Zadisky and Johnny V on car's direction contributed to a lack of cohesive leadership, which affected decision making and project execution. Price, and this is the fourth issue. The expected price for the Apple car was $100,000, which is very expensive without any unique feature, and the same car people can get with less than $100,000, and this was a big problem because customer had an option to buy another budget-friendly EV with a CarPlay. Now many people says, is it the end of the road for Apple car? The right answer is no. As long as Apple is concerned, it will not give up until they make a car. For now, the company had just delayed the project. They have shifted their focus towards generative AI, which can be great for Apple car. They are hoping to make its vision come true in 2028.